Hey guys, I am so excited today to show you how to create this wood round wreath. Of course, this is a homemade luxe project. Everything you need is in the box. You'll have some wood, some eucalyptus, some paint, paintbrush, glue stick, ribbon, and the home wording script. You'll also need some tape and a scissors. So the first thing you're going to do is you're just going to take your painter's tape and tape off the pattern that you want for your wreath. I'm going to just do some white and black stripes, and I'm just putting them at the thickness that I would like. I'm going to start off by painting white strips first, and then I'll add the black after. I'm careful to use my paint covering over the tape. That way I know I have a nice clean line, and I'm gonna make sure I give that 2 coats. It's best to let it dry in between, but you don't have to be so particular. Also remember to get the sides of your wreath. Feel free to lay your tape down on the sides as well so that you get a nice crisp line. Once that's nice and dry or semi-dry, you're gonna go ahead and take the painter's tape off and then let it fully dry after that. Once I got my tape off, I realized I wanted to make this bottom one a little bit longer. So just wanted to show you that you can make adjustments as you go. Just making that bottom one a little bit thicker and adding some more paint as I go. Once I've got that done, I'm going to do the same to the top, make that a little bit thicker and adjust as I go. So once I've got my white completely dry, I'm going to go ahead and add some more painter's tape, deciding where to add my black. I'm just going to put them at the top and the bottom, leaving the middle the natural wood color, but of course you can make any variation you would like with your paint. I'm just going to add my accent of black in those 2 places. While that black is drying there, I'm going to also paint my wood script black. The beauty of this craft is that you can make the color combination whatever you would like to match your decor. In the box you'll have of your homemade craft kit, you're going to have black and white, but this is very much customizable. So once your black is completely dry, you're going to go ahead and take off that tape, and now you're going to untwist your eucalyptus sprigs, and you'll have a few separated sprigs after that. You're just going to use those and go ahead and hot glue those to your wood. You're also going to make a hanger and about the size that you would like, and then you're going to go ahead and shape it, and you're going to make a ribbon as well. Here you're going to take your sprigs to kind of decide where you want to put them, and you're just going to hot glue them to the wood. Another way you can do this is to hot glue a little bit of floral foam on here. That way you can change out the sprigs with the season. That's definitely an option as well. I'm always going to use this eucalyptus. I feel like it goes summer, spring, fall. It looks good. So I'm going to just hot glue mine directly to the wood. Once that's all nice and dry, I'm going to measure out how wide I would like my my bow, and I'm just going to do 2 separate sizes, one a little bit smaller than the other, to create a bow. And I'm just going to hot glue those together and then hot glue them on top of each other as well. I'm going to combine those, and then I'm going to add a little round to create a really cute little bow. Once your little bow is complete, you're gonna fluff it up. You're gonna add a tail as well, and just arrange it how you would like on your thing. You can add some more eucalyptus if you would like. And you're just gonna hot glue your ribbon to your wood. First your tail and then your actual bow. You're going to just cut that ribbon to the height that you would like and give it a little tail if you would like as well. Now don't forget your hanger on the back. You're just gonna hot glue that to the back of your wood. And now you're going to hot glue your script right onto that plain wood section. And I am gluing it on top of the ribbon just because I like that look. But do it how you would like. And that's it. Super simple project. Looks so beautiful on my front door. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this homemade Luxe craft kit.